Hi guys, we have exactly 6 months remaining for the CAT exam. So this is how every coaching class is planning their studies. So June, July, August, next 3 months we'll do the basics, and September, October, November we'll take it to the advanced level. So pehla 3 months basic and then 3 months advanced level. So what you will do, the first thing is to download this expected paper for 2018 CAT. So this is a paper made out of last 5 years of my experience with the CAT exam. I'm giving the CAT exam for the last 5 years. So every year we can expect what kind of paper is coming. Yeah, I'm an engineer. I passed all my 4 साल का engineering by doing the last year papers. So I make this paper every year with the expectation of what we can expect in this year CAT paper. ठीक है. So I can promise you that 90% of the CAT paper pattern will be based on this paper. Fine, not the same question. मेरे को ये नहीं चाहिए बाद में कि सर क्वेश्चन में 34 तो आया नहीं एग्जाम में. So the main thing is the paper pattern, which will be same. The level of difficulty, everything is the same, going to be same. In fact, the level of difficulty is same every year for the last 3 years. And trust me, none of the coaching classes is putting in effort to give you the new kind of a paper pattern which is coming. So I can see almost 25% of the paper pattern have changed in the CAT exam. For example, the moment you download this paper, the first thing first you download this paper, it's available on cetking.com/2018. I think you can read this here, cetking.com/CAT 2018. So you can download the paper here and so you can go through this paper. Fine. So you download karo. Don't give it as a mock because we have to solve this paper after 6 months, not today. But आपको एक आइडिया देके जाएगा कि किस तरह के क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आते हैं. ठीक है. So what we are doing at CETing, all our books, advanced books, mocks, sectional test, classes, workshops is going to be now scheduled as per this paper pattern. Fine. So rather than waiting for example, पहला 3 months we do the basics, then we go to advanced level in September. सितंबर में अगर इफ आई टेल यू कि भाई जो भी आपने बेसिक में किया वो एग्जाम में नहीं आने वाला बिकॉज एग्जाम का लेवल इज गोइंग टू बी एडवांस लेवल, इट विल बी टू लेट फॉर यू टू गो टू दैट टू स्विच योरसेल्फ टू द एडवांस लेवल. दैट्स एग्जैक्टली स्ट्रगल विद ऑल द कोचिंग क्लासेस हु इज टेकिंग स्टूडेंट टू द एडवांस लेवल इन द लास्ट 2 months. सो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, वी आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम नाउ, फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट वीक, फ्रॉम द मंथ ऑफ जून वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद द एडवांस लेवल. So every week we'll do 3 basic lecture, like the normal lecture, and 1 advanced lecture. So you can join us for the classroom program or the online program, whichever suits you, for the workshops and solve this paper because this is the expected paper which will help you. Okay. So at the end of the video I will be posting in the comments I'll be posting the address of all our centers. So wherever you are possible, if you are in Mumbai, Pune, please pick up this hard copy so that you can understand the type of questions which are coming in the exam, and the soft copy will be available online. So cetking.com/CAT 2018, please download the paper so that you can get all the kind of questions which are there. Okay. So that's all I wanted to cover up in this video. So all the best. Thank you.